In this video, I will show you how to install Play Store on LG TV. So typically, LG TV has a different operating system, which is named LG Web OS. So this means that it actually doesn't operate on Android, which the Google Play or Play Store is actually compatible with. So if you want to actually use your Play Store, what you can do is you can head over first to your LG TV and then see if you have something like these apps. So on LG TV, you should be able to have those app option that we can see right there. So this app option right here should be able to actually show up onto your home screen. And then you can just search for an app that you can use. So just enter in here the name of the app and then you can click onto this install. So this app by the LG TV is actually different onto your Play Store, but there's also similar applications that exist on Play Store as well as LG TV. So you should also check that out as well. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.